Begin by sanding your fireplace tile down with 120 to 220 grit sandpaper. Sand it down really well so your tiles become more adhesive for your primer and paint to stick. Once you have finished sanding, dust it off and wipe it down with a damp rag. Tape the perimeter of your fireplace with low-tack blue painter's tape. Before painting your fireplace, you must prime it. Priming is another step that can help your paint stick to the original tiles. We recommend Stix Primer. Take a 4-inch dense foam roller and apply 2 to 3 coats of primer. Once your primer is dry, you can apply your base coat color. We recommend Benjamin Moore paint in a flat latex finish. It's best to use paint in a flat latex finish because it will reduce your chances of paint seepage underneath the tile stencil. We recommend at least 2 coats. If you have various tile sizes or inconsistent grout lines, measure the width of the legs and the height of the header. You should fill in the space with that tile stencil. Spray the back of your tile stencil with repositionable spray adhesive. This will reduce your chances of getting paint seepage under the stencil. Evenly load a 2-inch dense foam roller with paint. Offload any excess paint onto a paper towel. Place your tile stencil in the center of your header. Gently roll the paint onto your tile stencil. Roll up towards the mantle as much as you can. Then, take a professional stencil brush and pounce it into the corner for a crisp line. Align your tile stencil with the registration marks and repeat until all the full tiles are complete. Now place your tile stencil on the leg right under the header and work your way down to the hearth. Find the center of your hearth and place the tile stencil closest to you. Then you are going to work your way out on each side and towards the firebox. We recommend buying more than 1 tile stencil. Stencils are super flexible and can bend to fit most areas. Once you have finished using the full tile stencil and all that is left are those super hard to reach areas, give it a trim to conquer those tricky corners. Place your grout line stencil over the thin line areas in between your stencil tile. Take a 1/2-inch professional stencil brush and dip the tip into the paint and work the paint into the bristles. You only want a little bit of paint on your brush, so offload any excess paint onto a paper towel. Lightly swirl or pounce the brush over your stencil. There's a good chance you might have gotten paint seepage under your tile stencil. Take a touch-up brush and watch it disappear. Seal your project with 2 to 3 coats of water-based polyurethane. We recommend water-based polyurethane because of its rapid dry time, it doesn't yellow over time, and it's good for the environment.